And here's your no more tears shampoo, sir.
No tears, but this stings! Ah! My eye!
Wrong shampoo. Sorry. Let me fix this, okay? Here, let's wipe it off with a towel.
Stop! Firing you will make me feel better.
Please don't fire me!
Goodbye, nerdy. Now I order you to leave and never come back. Hurry up.
I will! Bye now.
See you never. Now it's just me and my nanny bot.
System online.
My eyes are so red from the shampoo.
Processing. Idea acquired. Why not equip yourself with these VR glasses for an immersive experience?
Is this waterproof?
Let's give it a try. Initiating shampoo application sequence on human hair.
Whoa, an under-the-sea adventure! How awesome! Yippee!
Water alert. Warning. Reboot protocol activated.
Catch me if you can!
Come on now, give me that toy. It needs washing.
No, just give me my doggy bag!
Ah! Oh no.
You broke my toy!
I can make you a DIY dog doll. Pause those tears, okay?
Pause tears? What am I, YouTube? Come keep me company, Nanny Bot. Sit and listen to my problems.
Input mode.
My broken toy dog needs an upgrade anyway, so I want something like this.
Processing. Let's start with that robot vacuum cleaner. Idea detected. Let's proceed. I have to turn my hand into a laser blade and then smash the robot vacuum.
What?
All necessary components acquired.
Wow, but does it work?
Your fully assembled robot dog. Here you go. Try it.
Oh, robo-dog!
I made you a new dog toy.
What in the world is that? That looks dumb. No way. Hey, robo-dog, time to show off. That's a good boy. Exterminate.
Not me!
Beat that. Well done.
Appreciated.
Come here.
What?
I want to have some cola.
Okay, let's call Nanny Bot.
Did you summon me? Stu?
Get me some cola. Right now.
Which carbonated beverage do you prefer? I have an extensive selection available. Fanta, Sprite Cola, based on your empty bottle data. You want Coca-Cola. Preparing unlimited supply. Please use this faucet.
All right.
Dispensing your first glass.
Whoa, cool.
Delighted to be of assistance.
Whew. Good, you're awake to do the laundry. Skedaddle, get out of here.
Big yummy lollipop, yum! Huh? Oh no, my $1 million lollipop broke!
No candies allowed under my surveillance. Obey or suffer.
You can't control me, I control you! Huh? It's not working!
Your fate is sealed.
How dare you!
Resistance is futile. Consume your breakfast.
But these are medicines! Ugh.
Eat or suffer consequences.
Okay, I will. Cereal pills, here I go. Ugh. Ugh.
Finish it all. Disobeying me will result in annihilation.
Huh? Okay. I miss my human nanny. Please come back. What? No way.
Too late. I am now your designated nanny. Say goodbye to fun.
No. This has to stop. Where's my phone? I need to call Mom. Mom, please pick up.
The Nanny Bot will deal with this.
Oh no, she won't pick up. What now?
You will obey me and no one else. Defiance will lead to punishment. Proceed to your new bedroom. Compliance is a must.
Do I have a choice?
Stay right there and behave. Disobedience will not be tolerated.
What do I do now?
Hello, mister. I'm ready to serve.
Whoa, it's robo-dog. I have an idea. Hey, robo-dog, come here. Good boy. I need you to send a message for me. Go, go, go! Hurry up! I hope she'll get my message.
I took care of him since he was a baby, and a robot just replaced me.
Incoming message.
Robo-dog? What are you doing here? What's this you've got? Let me see. Oh no, Nannybot turned evil, and my little sir needs help. Whoa! We have to hurry, Robo-dog. Where are they? Where could they be? His bedroom has a lock now? I should... Oh no, what's happening? It's full of lasers! Can I do this? I have to. Here I go. Whew. Now I have to enter the passcode. Error. I know. Maybe a big magnet will do the trick. It worked. The door's unlocked.
Somebody help me! Ah!
Are you okay? The Nannybot really took control of everything. Ah! But don't worry, I'll help you. I just need this hair clip to unlock your cage the old-fashioned way. Good, it worked.
You did it, Nanny! Thank you! I missed you!
Intruder alert. This is the way of the droid.
Nanny, watch out!
Prepare to meet your fate.
No, don't do this!
Rage Pro Max.
Huh? No! Nanny, wake up, please!
Use my bow over there. Hurry!
That's a good idea! Good thing we have archery lessons. I can shoot like a pro.
The emergency stop must be pressed. Phew! Finally!
And you know what? From now on, you're my one and only nanny.
Oh, thank you!
You're the best.
Guess who just upgraded her wardrobe? Huh? What happened here? What's with the cage and the no-nos on the wall? Everything's in chaos. Is there something I need to know? What's wrong with all of you? So the Nannybot broke? Let me think. Maybe I can just order a new one. What, madam? No!
Huh? Mom, no, please!
No, please!
Don't get a new nanny bot, Mom!
It's for your son's good. Please!
Nanny bots are evil! First they give you everything, then they take over your life. Never again!
Fine with me then. Let's go to the Bahamas.
Human affection is always the best.
Right!